You can show SharePoint site pages directly within Microsoft Teams, right? So when you start showing it to them, you want people to get comfortable with the SharePoint site. So what I've done is actually I've gone ahead and placed some inline icons here. As you can see, these two gray ones, and then I actually put a green one here to make it more prominent to get everybody's attention. That they need to look at these things, click on it, explore it, and I did all that stuff using the VisualSP system. Let me show you how it works. So if a user says, all right, well, I don't know what this means, let me click on this icon. In this case, they get a very quick video to show them exactly what a team site is all about, right? In this case, learning how to add a page. So that's actually a quick rich HTML just showing them specifically exactly what they need to do to make a new page. And this one, which I made more prominent because I want people to pay attention to it, and then later I can change the color or just make it gray like that so it kind of blends in. But right now it's green. If I click on this as a user, I can see how to add or remove a news post. And all this documentation and videos, all this stuff is available online, but to make them available directly here as an inline help icon like that, when a user first comes to a page within Microsoft Teams here, that's pretty useful. So let me just quickly show you how I made this possible. I'll go to this page right here. This is where it shows the actual site, the end user communication support site that was actually being brought into Microsoft Teams. And here are my inline icons, right? 1, 2, and then third one. So this one is named add or remove a news post. I'll go into the VisualSP system. And actually I already did a search, but let me do it again. Add or, here we go. Add or remove a news post. So I'll edit this as an editor, not as an end user, just as an editor. I can edit it. And in this case, this was set up as an inline icon, so this is where the setting is for that. If I reselected the element, you can see how easy it is to select any element first. This is the one that's selected, so I can actually move this around if I wanted to. Put it over here and say save it. Very quickly to do all that stuff. And then the actual information, it's coming from the support site from Office. If I go back to Microsoft Teams now, in this case, if I refreshed the page, let me just go to a different page and then come back here. So now the positioning for that inline icon is different. It's what I've changed it to. All right, so that's how easy it is to set it up for our users, for our employees, so they get the inline help they need to help them be successful.